Hello, I'm Helen and I'm going to talk to you today about making one of my favourite blocks, which is a wonky star. Like a lot of quilters, I'm really fond of stars, but as I'm an improv quilter and I'm a modern quilter, I like to have a little variation. So I'm going to start with a square of fabric. Here I've started with a 10-inch square because that's what you buy in little packets. And I'm going to cut this into what I call an irrational 9 patch. So each one will end up with 2 points, nicely done. And on this one, I've done the first set in pale yellow and the second set in a darker yellow. Oakshott fabrics have some really nice yellows and oranges. And I've trimmed out the background each time. And these have been fantastic. And as you can see, I've done some with stripy points. I've done some in a light on a dark background. I've done some by starting with 9 even-sized squares and just making a white star.